motocross bikes have hit their limit? Think again. The 2026 Yamaha YZ450F is proof there's still room to push harder, fly higher, and corner faster. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the future of performance, one machine at a time. Today, we're breaking down the all-new 2026 Yamaha YZ450F, a race-ready beast built for riders who demand power, precision, and podium finishes. Design. The YZ450F's design has always been aggressive, but the 2026 model sharpens things even more. With a lighter, more compact chassis and updated bodywork, Yamaha focused on mass centralization and rider mobility. The seat is flatter, the plastics are slimmer, and everything about the design screams agility and control. Performance. Let's get into the heart of it. The updated 450cc four-stroke engine delivers even more mid-range torque, while keeping top-end power brutally strong. Thanks to a refined intake system and new ECU mapping, throttle response is crisp and immediate. The bike also shaves weight, improving acceleration and making it easier to flick through corners or over jumps. Features and technology. On the tech side, Yamaha's Power Tuner app is back and better than ever. You can adjust mapping, monitor performance, and customize ride feel straight from your phone. The 2026 YZ450F also features revised suspension settings, upgraded brakes, and a new traction control system that helps keep the power usable, especially when the track gets rough. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ450F isn't just a step forward, it's a leap. Lighter, faster, and smarter than ever, it's built for serious riders chasing serious results. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, leave a comment with your thoughts on the new YZ, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more high-performance breakdowns, delivered fast and focused.